What's up everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up and edit WooCommerce pages on WordPress. So as you can see, I'm on my WordPress dashboard, and first of all, to enable the WooCommerce functionality, you need to make sure it's installed. So I do have WooCommerce installed, as you can see right here. WooCommerce is the e-commerce plugin or online store plugin for WordPress. So here, first of all, I need to apply a theme. So go to Appearance, and then click on Themes here, click on Add New Theme here, and then there is a pretty popular one that I like that's called Astra. Of course, you can go ahead and view the different themes and decide which is best for your website. Here it is, the Astra. Click on Install, then Activate to activate it, and is now the active current theme. Now here, go ahead to the Visit Store option. And this is how it looks like. Of course, this is just blank. You need to customize it, so click on Customize here. And this is how you customize your WooCommerce page. Now, here you can go ahead and view the container layout. This is the default one. You can have a normal layout if you want to, and it will change in real time. And you can have the full width. Okay, and now you can go ahead and view the sidebar option. However, since there are no like many elements here, you cannot really see the difference on many of these options. And you can go here to Design, align the items here or elements in the middle. And if you go back here, I can edit the product catalog, the single product page, or the cart page. And if I go back once again, here I can edit the global settings, I can edit the page settings, sidebar, footer, header, and so on. So if I go to global here, go to colors, I can change the color style. And as you can see, the color palette of the website will change. And you can go ahead in the theme color and choose the color that is best suited for your business. You can edit the settings for the buttons, the containers, the scroll, and so on. And once you are happy with all your settings, you can click here on Publish, and your settings will be saved and published to your online store.